Hello creative mind, welcome home. I'm Survival and today we'll be unboxing the Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo. When you open up the box, this is how it is. I'm opening it up now. This is the box. You see this pack. Now this pack comes with the manual and then the propellers, otherwise you can also call it the fan. So these are the manual that you need to read in order to fly your drone. These are the manual, okay? And also these are the propellers. I think there are 6 pairs of propellers, 6 pairs of propellers, and then you get to see another pair again, another 6 pairs of propeller. That is what you see, well, that is what you get to see in the first pack. Okay, so now inside the box, the next thing you are going to see there is the bag. It comes with a very beautiful bag which prevents it from maybe getting damaged when it falls or when water splashes on it. So this is it. So this is it. Now here comes your drone. This is the drone. This is the Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo drone. This is it here. Then the next thing you are going to see here now is the controller. This is the controller. Okay. And then the next thing you are going to see here is the batteries. The Fly More the Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo comes with 3 batteries, one on the drone and then 2 additional batteries. These are the batteries. Okay, this is a second battery, and then you get to see the adapter for the charger. This is the adapter. So again, what you find again inside the box is the charger. So this is the charger. With this you can charge 3 batteries simultaneously, or you can charge 1, depending on your choice. So again, you see the cable for connecting that connects the adapter to the electric. This is the cable. Okay, here also comes a kind of protector for your drone, which you can use on your drone occasionally. This is how it works. This is it. So now, inside the box here again, you are going to see some other accessories. Like this is the cord. This is the cord for charging the controller. Okay. This is also a charger. You can actually plug this to a USB. So these are some creative filters that can add more beauty to your or color to your work. These are creative filters. These are the connectors that connect the controller to your mobile device. Now it comes in about 3 or 4 cords. One I think is for Samsung products or something like that. Then this one for Apple, and that of the Android is already on the controller. So basically those are the things you get to find in your brand new Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo. So lest I forget, your drone also comes with additional 2 controller stick, which I forgot to show you in the first place. So these are the 2 additional controller stick. I'll be showing you how you can put on the drone or how you can turn it on. Now before you think of putting on the drone, ensure you remove this protective cover. It's very important to remove this protective cover. So this is it. You remove it. To unfold it, you move this one this way. You move this one this way. This one comes this way, and also this one comes this way. This is your drone. Now there are a lot of things you will need to know about your drone. This is the battery section. To check the battery, press once. It will indicate the level of the battery. When it is full like this, it means you have a fully charged battery. To remove your battery, you press and hold on to this on both sides. You press and hold on to it, and then you draw it up to remove your battery. And you repeat the same procedure. You press and push it down to put in your batteries. Now, very important, these are some of the things you want to know. Okay, this is where you connect the drone to your laptop or your computer in order to copy out the files you recorded using the drone. That's the port here. Then this port by this other side is where you put in your micro SD card. That is your memory card. That is it here. So your drone comes with a lot of sensors. These are the sensors in the front, okay, that is able to see obstacles and objects, okay. So this is the sensor behind. I believe you can see the sensor. It also has another sensor underneath here, and then some other sensors. So that is it. Now to put on your drone, this is how you go about it. You press once, and then you press and hold. Your drone comes up. So as you can see it now, the drone is on. So if you want to put off your drone, you repeat the same process. You press it, and then you press and hold. Then the drone will go off. That is how you put it off. So now, coming to the controller, you take a look this side, you see the controller stick or the thumbstick or whatsoever. You get it out and you tight it here, this way. Okay, you get the second one, and then you tight it here, this way. So now to put on the controller, it's still the same way. You press the power button here, it shows the battery level, and then you press and hold. Your controller comes up. And another thing you need to know about the controller is this. This is where you place your phone. This is the cord with which you connect your phone to the controller. So I'll be putting in my mobile device. So this is my phone. So that is it. And then you connect this one here. That is how you connect your phone to the controller. There are several ways of charging up your batteries. You can actually plug it directly like this. So I believe you can see it. It's plugged directly. This is it, and it is charging. Okay, another way you can charge your battery is by using the battery charger. That means this now, you have to plug it to the battery charger, and then you connect the batteries. You can charge the 3 of the batteries simultaneously. And how they charge is this. One will charge when it gets filled, the second one will start charging. It charges sequentially till all of them gets charged. So take a look. So I believe you can see it. This one is the one currently charging. You can see the light blinking. When it gets filled, this one will start charging. After this, then comes this. That is another way of charging it. Now, to charge the controller, this is the controller cord. Simply go to the adapter here, adapter, whichever one, then you plug it in, and then connect it to the controller. So, your controller starts charging. That is how you charge your batteries and controller. So that is it. So very important, when you just finish flying your drone, it's not advisable for you to start charging the battery immediately. Definitely the battery will be a little bit warm or hot, so you have to allow it to get cold before you start charging. Otherwise you might try charging it and it might not peak, or it might not charge or respond to charge. So it's something you should take note of. After each flight, make sure the battery gets the heat of the battery reduces before you start charging it. Very important. So the next thing I will be showing you now is how to install the propellers on your drone. First of all, you have to remove this protective cover from the motors. So you remove them, you remove it, you remove this. Now, very important, take note of this motor. You notice a white line here. So now take note of this one also. You notice there is no white line whatsoever there. So those are the key guides you need in installing your protectors, the propellers. If you miss it, you are going to make a very big mistake that might actually damage your drone if you are not careful. So these are the propellers. If you take notes, if you take a look at this propeller, you can see a white line here. So this shows you that this propeller goes to the motor that has a white line. So to put it, you push it down and then you turn the motor to lock it. Take a look at this propeller. You will notice that it is not having any white line whatsoever on it. So that shows that it's going to the motor that has no white line whatsoever on it. So you push it down and then you turn it in order to lock it. So same goes to the other ones. This has a white line, so I'll be placing it here. You push it down and then you lock. So this is the fourth one. So this is it. When you take a look, you notice there is no white line here. So you now place it here and then you turn the motor to lock it. So that is how you install your blades or propellers on your drone.
Chineke mee. Jesus, that was my fiance.
Okay, so now this is how you remove your propellers. You push it down and then you turn the motor. With that, this one is off. Okay, so you push this one down, you turn the motor. This one is off. You push this down, you turn the motor. This one is off. And then finally you push this one down, you turn the motor. And then this one is also off. So we try to replace the protector, place it in, replace it in, then replace this. So ensure you fold back your the listing. So you start with the lower ones. This is it. Fold it back. Fold this. Fold this. And that is it. So for the controller, we draw this thing out. Draw it out, then you move this way, you remove your phone. So this is how you roll it. This connector here, try to roll it this way. And then you place it like this. So that is how you roll it. Then ensure you remove the controller stick and then place it back. So that's it.